it. Start.
स्थापकाय च धर्मस्य सर्वधर्मस्वरूपिणे अवतारवरिष्ठाय रामकृष्णाय ते नमः। जननीं शारदां देवीं रामकृष्णं जगद्गुरुं पादपद्मे करोषित्वा प्रणमामि मुहुर्मुहुः। नमस्ते यतिराजाय विवेकानन्दसूरये सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुसाक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। दुर्जनः सज्जनो भूयात् सज्जनः शान्तिमाप्नुयात् शान्तो रुचेतबन्धेभ्यो मुक्तान् अन्यान् विमोचयेत्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। हरि ओम्। Last Saturday we discussed in view of COVID pandemic. So in that I said something, and continuation to that, today let us discuss something more. So let me recapitulate what I said last Saturday, not completely, but to some extent. And I said that the whole world is facing problem, whereas organisms, yes, other than human beings, they least concerned with that. But in case of man, this highly intellectual person, he is facing problem. So they are least concerned about it, other organisms. And I also said the man is the final product of the nature, ultimate product of the nature, and his life itself is very complicated. That is why in his system everything is very complicated. The vital organs, vital function organs also very complicated. And I also said in order to know about eye, ophthalmology, one separate system is there in science. So nearly 4 years he studies, and then 2 years specialization, and result of that he come to know something about an eye. That's all. So That is the complexity of human nature. Then anything happens in the nature, it has its impact on human beings. So that is also we discussed last time. Whatever happens in the world, and it has its impact on human beings, whether it is emotionally or health point of view. Say for example, one animal population is decreasing, if you think so. Snakes, for example. And generally we think that snakes, they are very poisonous animals. And we think that in general, if you are not aware of this nature and food chain, these snakes are useless, not at all useful to human beings. But the population of snakes decreases. Its impact is there on human beings. It means God's creation is such a way that man is the ultimate product. So he is superior in the sense not to suppress, not to control, not to damage, but to look after. That is why Sarvabhuta Hiterata in Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna says Sarvabhuta Hiterata. So don't think about only human beings, the whole world in the sense, Sarvabhuta, Bhuta in the sense all organisms including man. The reason behind is that, say for example, now COVID problem is there. As far as India is concerned, who is more responsible for this? Who is more thinking about this? Modi ji. It means the responsibility, more responsibility lies in the hands of Prime Minister. Because he is ruling whole India. So we handed over India, yes, to whom? This Modi. And we decided that he is the right person and our India is safe in his hands. So now this problem is there now, existing problem. Now who is thinking more about this? Whose responsibility is more now? And Modi ji frequently is appealing the people and is holding hands and saying follow certain things. Yes, because he thinks his responsibility lies in his hands. Yes or no? In the same way, this man as a human being, if you think the nature is handed over to man by the God. God created everything. Yes. And he handed over this nature to this human being. What for? And here the question comes. Here is the question of why, what for this? Last time I said why aspect is more important. Why? Is it? So why it is so? Because in a family, the family head is going somewhere else, far away place. He comes after 1 or 2 months. Yes. Then before going, what he does, he says, and he selects next elderly person, and he says, no, look after this family. Yes, sir. Look after this family. Now, what is the responsibility of that head now, second head? He has to think of this. Fellow beings, fellow family members. Yes, sir. In the same way, the God created this wonderful nature. Yes, He has given everything and He handed over that nature to this man because He thought that He is superior. He decided that He is your superior person. Why superior? Other day said, Nanam Naranadharko Visheshaha Nanena Nina Pashabhisam. Why man is superior? Because we have the Nana. Yes, the wisdom is there. We have sense organs. We have discriminating power. Buddhi is there. Not just sense organs. Mind is there. And one discriminating power is there. So what is right and what is wrong? That is called discrimination power. That is called buddhi. That is why if anything, something goes wrong with any person, we say, buddhi leda, తెలివి లేదా, we say. And why they comment like that? Because we have discriminating power. And you know that faculty we call what is good and what is bad. Yes. Now, at this scenario, present situation, man has to learn something. What is that? Let us know. Here man, he thinks that, and other day I also said that we produce a scientific gadget or any material in the world, what for? For the betterment of the society. Yes, a mic is being produced. So what for? We can use this. If I speak with low voice, and it multiplies. Yes. Is it not so? In the same way, cell phone. So some person is there far away, and we can contact him. Yes, we can talk to him. We can send message. So this is the purpose. So anything that is produced has a purpose. That thing we got to know. So whatever is produced in this world, whether it is by man or God, it has its benefit or usage. So if you think like in the same way, a tree is produced by or created by God. And what is the use of the tree? So the purpose of tree is to give shelter and habitat to animals, and it gives shelter to some animals, and shadow, fruits, and the flowers, and even use the twigs as a medicine also we can use. It means with what purpose it was created, and it is discharging its duties in perfect way. Yes. Right from the day of creation till it extinguished. It extinguished from this world, and it is performed its duty. Yes. It meant for human beings. So in the same way it is using. Water is produced. And what way it is using us? We are producing current, wash clothes. Yes, we can cook, bathing purpose and cultivation purpose. Yes, discharging its duties in proper way. Is it not so? So whatever is there in this world, even vehicle, it is there with us and it is helping us. So each and every organism and each and every product has its own usage, and they have certain features that we have to take. They have certain features, and we purchase cell phones, different companies and different models, and if you think of any particular model, and that model has particular features, Is it not so? And product of a particular model, it is of any place, maybe in one mandal or district or nation or other country, yes, other states, wherever it is, that product, that model has its own, yes, distinguished features. When you operate it properly, and it comes out with innate abilities. Is it not so? So this is about other gadgets and other things. Then what about man? Here question comes. What about this man? And last time I said he is always outward, outward and outward. He is not. There is no what? Introspection. He is not asking. He is dragging away by the sense organs. And gradually, the outward, the nature is never asking you to just run after it. Nature never said. Yes, if anything goes wrong, you will get some indication. Say for example, there is a pain in the stomach. Yes, and it tells that, it is indicating that something is wrong with your system. Yes or no? It is an indicator. And headache is there, so it is an indication. Or running nose is there, so there is an indication. Now this coronavirus, and if you have with the symptoms, we can say primarily we can diagnose that, and this is the problem. Yes or no? Clear? So whenever there is some indications, and we have to realize that something is wrong with me, in my system, health point of view. Is it not so? In the same way, regarding this mind, due to this mind also, something is wrong. There is a tension, boredom, ego, proud, depression. Yes. This indicates that something is wrong with you. There is something wrong with you. Now let us come to the point. Just now I have given a best quality iPhone, Apple company, worth of 60,000 rupees, and it is produced and it is in your hand, you recently purchased. Yes? After 2-3 days, and it is not working properly. After 2-3 days, it is not working properly. And where is the wrong? What is the problem? Actually, problem is with that phone. Some others also using. Yes. For the last 2 years, he has been using that, but nothing is wrong with that. But after 2-3 days, so there is a problem with that. So where is the problem? Where is the problem? Is the problem with that phone, or problem in handling that phone? Where is the problem? Misusing it. Yes, sir. Misused. It is being misused. Yes, sir. So that Apple phone is an instrument. Yes. It is an instrument to you. So when the scientist produced that, as it is a standard company, and in general they think that it lasts for 3 years, at least they think it lasts for 3 years. Yes, sir. So these 3 years we can use it if you use it in proper way, so whatever the software is inculcated into that, yes, and whatever the what you call software and the mechanism was put into that, and if you operate it properly, and you will get the result in proper way. Clear? So in the same way, the God has given this body. It is also an instrument. This body, human body, is an instrument to you. Then here again question comes. Last time I asked you, why? Yes. Have you ever asked this question? Why? What for this body? What for this body? This body. What answer comes? What for this human body? Is it to eat whatever available in this world? Is it there to make up the things, the whatever available in the market? So it is like this. A phone is there, and you are keeping it. Of course, keeping it safe is nice, but you are satisfied with leading with some chemicals or wiper and one pouch and one nice cover. Yes, and designing that cover every day, changing one design. Yes, you are happy with that. So, are you really intelligent person? Can you call you an intelligent person? You are really seeing that phone very costly, highly useful, yes, then highly beneficial. But what you are doing, you are happy with pouch and covering with the different designs, yes, daily cleaning, and you are feeling happy with that. What to do with that now? Outward thing is there to protect that phone so that you can use it for many days or months or years together. Have you understood the point? A pouch is there, or screen guard is there, everything is there for what? What for actually? To use it properly, yes, without external damage and years together. Clear? So now we are happy with the outward pouch and the design, and there we are seeing and wiping, and we are keeping aside. So this human body also the same way. So it is an instrument. Sharira madhyam khalu dharma sadhanam. Yes, for dharma. Yes, to achieve dharma, to follow dharma, to reach a goal. There is a purpose to your life. So in order to reach that purpose, God has given this instrument that is called this physical body. And it is not enough. Just that cell phone outside cover is there, very nice. Yes or no? And battery also there. Is it enough? And what is needed again? We need a SIM card. Yes? For SIM card also need it. Yes. If possible, memory card, of course. Outside or inbuilt memory card. So there is no SIM card. Now what is the value to that cell phone? It is worth of 1 lakh. There is no SIM card. And what is its use? No. Is it useful? No. Not at all useful. Memory card also not there. Use is not up to that. Are you happy with that now? With pouch, with the design, changing your pouch frequently, monthly once? Do you feel happy? No. The creator of that cell phone is created with a purpose. You have to use it. It has certain features. So when you operate it in proper way, the features comes out, inbuilt features, all slowly comes out. And you have to connect with that. There should be a connection with the SIM card is there. So inbuilt is there, but the SIM card is not there, nothing is useful. And you insert one SIM card, even then it is not at all not useful. And you have to what? Yes, what is needed now? That SIM card, it should be recharge. Or it should be recharge. So it should be connected. Connected with whom? The source. It should be connected with the real source. Because the operation is there. Operation is there. So there is a link now. Phone is with you. Yes, outside everything is there. But SIM card is not there, no use. Memory card is there, no use. Recharge is not there, no use. After all, cell phone, the creator, yes, is visible to us. We know him, the company or something, the software engineer is also visible. Yes. And for this, to get the result of that, we need some conditions. Conditions apply. Yes or no? So, we are not happy with that. So, we operate different systems in that. Just not phone call. Yes, we go for other features. We go for other features. Is it not so? And in the same way, are you doing as far as this body is concerned, human body is concerned? It is produced by a divine personality. Yes, he has given certain features to you. With a purpose he is produced, he has given to you with a divine chip. Yes, just like a computer, a divine chip inbuilt with all features he has given. Are you ever thought of utilizing that features? Cell phone, if I purchase something and if you hand over to that, and immediately he start operating that and he start use. He think about the camera, how many cameras, he thinks about cell phone and clarity, yes, and he thinks about how many songs are there or how many pictures are there and what are other features, I don't know, you know very well. You start searching. In the same way, this human body is created by the Almighty, all powerful, with so many features. Yes, SIM is there already inbuilt, memory card is inbuilt, and there is no limit. GB, there is no limit to that, and features, there is no limit to that. Infinite power is within you, what Swamiji says. Yes, infinite capacities are there. Are we using this? Are you ever thought of this? And we run after, we think about that, we think about that features of that material, this material and that material. But what about this human body? Not at all. The most valuable thing it was given to you, but we least bother about that. Just we give food 3 times. That's all, we forget about it. Just, will you do the same with cell phone? Just recharge it and keep it away. Recharge it and keep it away. So we are doing the same, 3 times giving food to it, and that's all. You leave it, what is inside actually. Yes, we are not searching it, and we are searching outside and outside and outside. Is it not foolishness? This is called ignorance. This is called ignorance. Vedanta calls ignorance, ignorance, ignorance. Not knowing about your real nature, not knowing about this worthy human being, not knowing about this innate abilities. So that is why Nathandwara says that the Vedanta is nothing but study of man in depth. Study of man in depth. It is spirituality, it is Vedanta, it is Sanatana Dharma. We are not bothered about this. What Sanatana Dharma actually tells, it is a study man in depth. Yes? So here, when you think of this Vedanta, when you think of this innate abilities, in the study of man in depth, there is no difference between Hindu or Muslim or Christian. Man is a man, that's all. Whether he is American or England or whatever it be, man is one. Yes. He has innate abilities. The iPhone of America or London or Japan or China or Pakistan or Bangladesh, whatever it may be, it has the model same, it has same features. Yes. So operating here something means the mechanism. If you the mechanism in the sense the repairer. If you give training in a well established way, you have given training to repairing. He knows if he knows the repairing of the apple of India means he knows everything. Everywhere is the same. Yes or no? So God is father to all or not to Indians. He is the father of all. Yes or no? We are the children of God. We are the children of God. We in the sense what? We are the children of God means who? We means what? Our India says that Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Our ancestors were praying, Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. All Lokas, not countries. All Loka. Bhuloka, Bhurloka, Suvarloka. Atala, Vitala, Rasatala, Patala, whatever it may be. Everything is created by God. And we are the children of God. Yes. Now, as you are elevating, you are as a human being, as a worthy human being, this is for what now? This human body, now God has given this human body. Yes? Yes. What for again? Why? Question. Why? Father has given a cell phone to you, a costly cell phone to you. Why? Is it to just recharge with 100 rupees or 200, 399 package and fully charged always and daily cleaning it? Is it? Is it for that? No. So, the man is trying to know everything. Man is trying to manipulate everything, but he is not manipulating his body, human body system. So what is there inside? Actually, what is there inside? What is the value of this human body? As a body, it has value? No. But something is inside the conscience, the Atma, the divine spark, divine power. Yes or no? Yes, so try to know that. Otherwise, there is no use. Now, a question comes. So what happens? So what happens if I don't know about this? I least bother about this. Yes. So I earn money. I have talent, and I eat delicious food, whatever I like. Yes. Khana pina, maza. Life is for that only. Yes. You think. If you think Say for example, I least bother about that ozone layer. I least bother about that. I am not at all concerned with that. I do whatever I like. What is the result? What would be the result? What would be the result?
Temperature.
You are not aware of that. Simply you are leading your life. Yes. Daily life you are leading. Yes. But you are not concerned. You are not at all thinking about you are not aware of this ozone. But because of that your action, there is a impact, thinning of. Yes. But you think that I am fine, I am quite happy with my 3 meals, yes, with makeup, with all sorts of things, yes, amusement and everything is there. But one day or other day, you will be affected. Clear? This is called cause and effect. This is called cause and effect. Yes, because that was the effect. For that there is a cause. But you are not aware of this. Yes. If I ask a 3rd class man, a 5th class student or a 10th class student, yes, and a farmer, a businessman, is a driver, he is not at all thinking about this.
Yes.
But the effect is there because there is a cause for that. So science is saying that because of using certain gadgets, yes, there is a problem which is far away from you. Actually it protects you from ultraviolet rays. Yes. Are you following what I say?
Yes.
So whether you are aware of it or not, but you will be affected by it. Yes. Air pollution, you are not aware of that, but its impact is there on you. In the same way, in our life also, we have two things. Yes, whether we accept or not, it, yes, affects you. What is called? One is karma theory, and second one rebirth. Karma, rebirth, and rebirth. These two are more vital factors. Yes. If you know this, then you start real life. Otherwise, this life is peripheral. Just for take it granted. Like a baby, a cell phone, 1 lakh worth cell phone, that baby is just for rhymes, cartoon show, that's all. No value. Yes. In the same way, if you don't know about this and your life also, just like a baby's costly iPhone, a cell phone in the hands of a small baby. Just amusement. The phone is just for amusement. Just phone for just entertainment. Just for entertainment. It has no value. But if you know the value of this, if you have little spirituality, yes, then now its value is not entertainment, not amusement, yes, not simply wasting it. It has a great value. That is why Jantunam Narajanma Durlabham. It is very, it is not that much easy to get this birth, even birth. Yes. So we passed examinations. LKG, UKG, 3rd class, 4th class, 5th class. Now
Then
PG. PG level means human not very well. So from here we have to pass next higher, but don't go to this alone. 3rd class, 4th class, 2nd class. That is why you see in a family 3 or 4 people are there. So who are they actually? Who are they actually? Why have they come? They selected that body, yes, as an instrument to reach the goal. To reach that goal, he is called as a jiva. And we think that he is his brother or sister or wife and so on so. No, they are all actually individuals. Yes, they are individuals. You named him. So now he says brother to him. Yes, if everybody calls brother, is it correct? Say, married, wife is there. So if he says brother, accepts visits. Yes. Or sister-in-law is there. So can he call him as a brother? No. Same. Now he is headmaster or is headmaster, and at home can you call him as headmaster? No. For somebody, he is a brother, somebody, husband, son, like that. But who is he actually? Who is he actually? Who are you actually? If you say you are brother, yes. No, you are not brother actually. If you are brother, if everybody should call you as a brother only, then you have to respond. You are not giving response. Yes. Clear? Now who are you? Who are you? So we are called Jiva. Yes. Then in search of what? The moksha, or in search of that goal, yes, he entered, yes, a body, human body. He entered into a human body. Yes, sir? Now, in a family, everybody is striving for actually to be what are they doing actually? They are striving for their real goal. But we don't know. So train is there. We are traveling. Yes. So in different stations, different persons enter into that. Yes. And all are traveling, going towards a goal. Yes or no? So now you say, what for they are traveling? Why are they traveling? To reach the goal or not? To reach that goal, all are traveling. Yes or no? All are traveling. When destiny comes and they drop. Yes or no? In the same way in the world, we are all gathered here in a family. We accumulated. Yes. With a purpose. So what is that purpose? Yes, with promotion, we reached up to this human body. From this human body, then you have to pass. Now all students are there in a classroom. What for? In a classroom, students are there. Yes, what for?
Complete the class. Complete the class.
So successfully has to complete the class, he has to pass. So the purpose of all the students, what is the purpose? What is the purpose of all students?
Knowledge.
To pass. Yes or no? And what is the purpose of this jiva? Yes, in the beginning I said, this body is given, yes, and with some features, yes, and try to know that. Clear? Try to
No.
know that. So we are doing the same. We are
Yes.
on the way only,
Yes.
but we are searching in wrong.
No.
The method is not correct. The process is not correct. File, wrong file. You are searching in another file. So it was in another file, but you are searching in different file. So the God, this nature He has created, He has given this nature. Yes. What for? For you only. Yes. Just like other human beings, other organisms, it also there for you, and use that, utilize it. Yes. Then you reach your goal. That instrument is given, that phone is there, and operate it and get benefit of this. And this human body is given and get the benefit of this human being. Yes. And what is that? That is why Chaturvidha Purushartha. So unless and until you reach that goal, then what happens? You have to write exam. As a student, you have to write an exam. Otherwise, you have to stay there. If you pass, next class. Pass, next class. Next class, next class, and highest class. Then what? After that, there is no other way. PG, then PhD, then highest. Better than that, but not lower. Yes or no? So in the same way, from lower organism, we have come to this human form, this human body. Yes or no? Now, next promotion you have to think, but don't degrade yourself by yourself. उद्धरेद आत्मनात्मान आत्मानमवसादे आत्मैव हि आत्मनो बन्धुः आत्मैव रिपुरात्मा बन्धुरात्मा आत्मनस्तस्य येनात्मे आत्मनाधिकः अनात्मनपुरुषप्रवृत्ति प्रत्येकात्मैव च. So you have uplifted up to here, this stage, this highest life, the ultimate product of nature. Yes, all divine qualities are there, all possibilities are there. But don't degrade yourself, don't come down. Yes, when you come down, when you don't know its value, yes, simply you are leading your life just for money, name and fame, and that's all. So that is why we are not happy. The source of happiness is within. It is inside. The immense happiness is within. But we are searching outside. Yes or no? We are searching outside. It is within. Yes or no? That features are there. So, but we won't accept. That is a problem. We won't accept. But we accept others says, what scientist says, so and so scientist, we accept whatever they say, but we won't accept our spiritual scientists. They are called saints, Shastras. Yes, Shastra Pramanam Kurute they say. So follow the Shastra. So if you follow the Shastra and they are experienced, they experienced, they learned, they realized. That is why they said, Srimad Purishve Amutasya Putra, you are the children of immortal bliss. You have enough capacities, enough possibilities are there. And you are searching outside. And you are thinking that you are helpless, you are helpless, you are helpless. No. Each soul is potentially divine. That potentiality is there in each soul. Enough power is there. Enough possibilities are there. So try to know that. Yes or no? Try to know that. Now, the COVID is saying that now all these days, what happened? Our life is outward. We are not taking care of this. We are not happy with the homemade food outside. We are not happy with homemade makeup outside. Yes. Outside makeup shops, many beauty parlors, You are not happy with the beauty that was given by God, but inner beauty, you are not thinking about your inner beauty. Yes? And you are searching outside, external. So, went outside. And He has given pulses, cereals, and different food items. Yes? Different types of vegetables and fruits, all sorts of fruits, seasonal fruits. Yes? Not happy with that and outward. And you are not happy with the Indian food, and you have gone out for Chinese fast food. So where are you going now? What for your life? Where are you going? What is that? What is the purpose behind it? Why outward, running after, outward? Why? Why? Answer? Yes, I have to enjoy fruitful life. Yes, a purposeful life, a real life. Yes or no? So, going, running away, again and again. Now what happened? Now what happened?
Facing.
Yes, a thought-provoking situation. Thought-provoking situation. Now, the value is now given to what? So far, you have given much importance to makeup. You have given much importance to roadside food. You have given much importance to bar and restaurant, pub and club. And now, are you dare enough to go to pubs and clubs? Yes. Yes. Now, what is important now? Now, who is important now? What is important now? Who is more important? Who is more valuable? Is it material or you? If you are there and everything is there. If you are there, everything is there. Now schools are not there. Why? If schools are there, no more education may be there, nice education, yes, technology, digital, everything is there. But you may not exist in the future. Yes. So who is more important now? So now the outwardness is what Vedanta says, don't go out and out and out and always just to stay for 1 hour daily, spare time and think about you. Think about your inner abilities. Think about this, your human nature, your possibilities. What is its importance? Actually, who created this? What for he created? What is this? What is the purpose of this life? What is the goal of this life? Ultimate goal. Yes. But we are not thinking about this. We are not thinking. So, how far you run? And COVID said, yes, stop. Stop your running. Yes, stay home. Stay home and think, introspect, contemplate. Think about your past. Think about your human health, first health, this body. Yes. And beyond, more than this, something is there. Yes, then, if you think, if you analyze what I did all these days, all these years, and slowly you get the answer. Now you get the answer. So in your life, that is called negation. Neti. Vedanta says, minimize your what? Desires. Desire is the root cause of all evil, says Buddha. So reduce your what? Desires. Simple living and high thinking. The Indian message to the world is, yes, with limited material, limited thing, you can lead a worthy life, you can lead the happiest life, you can lead a purposeful life. That is the message of India to the whole world. Now, foreign countries or Europe countries, Swami Vivekananda says that they are trying that you can lead, they are showing to the whole world, you can lead a worthy life, a higher life with more material, but India told the world, already explained the world, yeah, with less material you can lead real life. Hopinavantah khalu sukhavantah. Some 100,000 years back they said, Hopinavantah khalu sukhavantah. So happy. Brahma Maharshi with one Hopina sitting out, but the whole world living, including Britishers, are going there for peace of mind. They have everything there. All the way they come to Belur Math to take initiation. From England they come, from America they come, from Europe countries they come to Belur Math. What for? To take initiation from the Swamiji, President Bhavacharya, and Vice President. What is wrong with them? They have Fiat car, latest model car, latest model cell phone. Yes, all scientific gadgets, everything they had. But what is not there? So all comforts and everything there. But here Swamiji is simple. Yes, sir. So what is the difference? What is the difference here? Yes. So yes, he tells the ways and means to derive that happiness. That is why they are coming. Yes, sir. They stay there. They meditate. They pray. Yes or no? So this Karuna was saying that be an Indian. Now, what happened? Yes, outward we are Indians. Sorry, outward. Yes. Inwardly, yes, foreign thoughts, foreign ideas, luxuries. Yes, all pizza, burger, noodles, Chinese. Yes, and pub, club. Is it our culture? No. Is it our culture? Not at all. Yes or no? So now, what is the remedy for this? What to do now? Be an Indian. Yes or no? Be an Indian in the sense, be with the God. Indian means not simply saying I am Indian, I am proud of my India. Yes, I wear this and that. By seeing, you can realize that, you can know that he is Pakka Indian. Not at all. The person with spirituality is an Indian, what Swami Vivekananda says. Without spirituality, he is not at all in India. So, what? Very simple, that happiness is within. It is a state of mind. Your life is meant for that, to reach your ultimate goal, to link up your life with Almighty, and you have come from God and you have go back to God. Yes, that is the purpose. So meanwhile, what happened? Meanwhile, the problem arises. So he sent here, and we are attracted by outward game. Yes. Then we are facing problem. We are being attracted by all magic and other things, and we forgot what for. Yes, other day said no, one rich person in a Nokankar village to his servant gave money and asked him to purchase material from a city, and he went there in the morning, and he happened to see big buildings, and there was some magic show and other things in city, different things happened. So he was being attracted by that. Yes, and by that time it was evening. There was only one bus, last trip, and he went to bus stand and went back to village, and he asked, yes, what are the material? Where are the material? No, he forgot. The purpose, he forgot. What for he went? To purchase a material from the master. But yes, being attracted by buildings and other things. So God sent here, yes, here with a purpose. Yes, it is a play. Other day I said no. So a question comes to us. So why should he create this? Why all these problems? Other day I gave example. Yes, why should, who created cricket? Why? Yes. Why should we wear helmet? Though it is a danger game. Why we wear God? Though it is a danger game. Why we should wear gloves? Yes, get ruptured if ball strikes this. Pad, yes, knee pad we use, thigh pad we use. Yes or no? And why don't we play with the rubber ball? Why we have to play with the